Hey, it's the crew from Depreciation Nation, and if you already know us, welcome back, and if you're here for the first time, hello. We're giving away some great merchandise as part of our holiday giveaway. For directions on how to enter, follow the instruction in the description. And now, on to the video. Welcome to another episode of Depreciation Nation, where recently it has snapped cold in Georgia, colder than usual, and our cars are finding new and interesting ways to let us down. Now, once again, we're here with Josh's A4 because we noticed when the temperatures dropped that the heat didn't work. So the car was recently serviced prior to purchase, and we are assuming at this point that the heater core is airlocked. So we are going to get right into it. We're going to look at it. We're going to see if that's the issue. So our heater core appears to not be airlocked, so it looks as though we have an obstruction somewhere. So we are getting ready to back flush the heater core in the hopes that we will clear up whatever it is that is preventing the coolant from circulating.
I'm recording.
Okay. Oh, maybe we got it. Did you see that? Okay. Exactly what I was looking for. So, we know we don't have our heater core airlocked. We have back flushed it, and it does appear as though there may have been some sort of an obstruction in there. We did flush it out very well. We know that we don't have an airlock after flushing it, and we are still not generating heat. So the next thing we are going to look at is our HVAC controls. So as it stands, our heat still doesn't work, but we know it's not a coolant issue. So thanks for watching. Join us in the next episode when we do address those HVAC controls. Please remember to comment, like, subscribe. Follow us on Instagram and Facebook as well, because occasionally we post projects there before we post them right here. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you soon.